Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials so the reset is clean and reversible. Make sure the watch and paired iPhone are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the watch app and create a current backup so you can restore. Once done, disable any third-party locks and note the Apple ID and password used by the watch. Next, decide whether to unpair from the iPhone now or erase directly on the watch. Unpairing automatically saves a backup and removes activation lock when possible. You now perform the core steps. If you can, open the watch app and choose Unpair Apple Watch because it both erases the watch and stores a backup on the iPhone, which simplifies restore. If you must erase on the watch, go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings, enter the passcode and Apple ID password. If activation lock still appears, log into iCloud. Select Find My. Remove the watch from your account so the next owner can activate it. You finish by repairing the watch to an iPhone if you plan to reuse it. During pairing, choose Restore from Backup to recover settings and data, or Set up as new for a fresh start. Make sure Watch OS is updated and run quick checks: heart rate, GPS, microphone, speaker, and charging. If something goes wrong, try a force restart. Hold both buttons. Confirm the watch is removed from your Apple ID, and if activation lock or hardware issues persist, contact Apple support for guided removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.